What's up, BP athletes? It's Spence Crosby, and today we're going to be going over 3 tips to improve your overall push-up game. Stay tuned. Guys, don't forget, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button followed by a notification bell. That way you're notified for future released videos. When it comes to calisthenics, push-ups are one of the most fundamental exercises that you should be doing effectively. Push-ups are a great exercise to improving your overall strength in terms of your chest, shoulders, and your triceps, as well as providing you a more aesthetic pleasing chest. When it comes to push-ups, I'll be providing you guys 3 essential tips to improve the amount of reps as well as your strength. So the first tip we're going to jump into is range of motion. Now when it comes to push-ups, people typically do them in very effective way. However, they lack the range of motion like this. So what do? You're protracting your back. This in return loads up the shoulder a little bit more as well as engaging your core. So when people typically do push-ups, they go from right there and they get the full extension. However, to make it a little bit more difficult, you just increase the range of motion from right to this. And that's a great way to improve the amount of reps you can do on a push-up. Number 2 tip I recommend is concentric holds. So let's say you're very tired doing a push-up and you want to get a little bit more out of it. So what you can do is do an isometric hold in the concentric part of the push-up position. So you're just gonna hold it for as long as you can up until you drop. So I'm going a little past 90. You can go just right here, just like 90 degrees on a dot. And you can just hold that position. And that in return, increase the amount of reps that you can do, but most importantly, improve your overall strength. The last tip I'm gonna give you guys for today is the negative phase of the push-up. Anytime you do a negative phase of an exercise, you're eventually gonna get stronger at that movement. So let's say, for instance, you just got done knocking out 4 sets of push-ups for failure amount of reps. You just go until you drop. And let's say you wanna get more out of it, well, start doing negative push-ups. So you're gonna go to the top of the range of motion or the top of the movement, and you're just gonna go as slow as you can. Drop, push back up, go as slow as you can. And maybe you want to go into failure, or maybe you just want to do 10 reps. But those are a great way to improving the overall motion as well as the strength when it comes to push-ups. Those are my 3 recommendations to improving your overall push-up game. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please leave a like as well as a comment in the section below on future release videos you'd like to see from me. Most importantly, guys, don't forget to follow me across my other social media platforms such as Facebook and Instagram at Building Physiques. I will see you guys next week. Peace out, BP crew.